have slime, but you know what, guys? Oh, sorry, glue. But you know what, guys? I just put a little bit of milk, like maybe not in this one, maybe this is glue. I just put a little bit of milk here, and everything else is water because I didn't want to waste milk, right, guys?
Yeah.
So hopefully it's gonna work. So let's see if Zidane and Heidi can tell which one is milk and which one is glue. Okay, guys, are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have here, we have a couple of, colors and... Where's the googly eyes? I thought I got the googly eyes. Okay, so guys, are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, so go Heidi, go Zidane. Okay, so you cannot shake it, Zidane.
Okay.
You're not allowed to shake it, okay?
Glue.
Okay. Woo! Glue! Nice! You guys got it.
This one next.
Okay, so put it down, Zidane. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make you guys close your eyes because I feel like you guys are peeking.
No.
Okay, Heidi, wait. Put it back. Put it back. Okay, so put all the glue in. Good job for the first round. They got the glue. Okay, so what I want you to do now, Heidi, close your eyes. Wait. Zidane, close your eyes. So let's make it. Are you peeking, Heidi? Okay, so let's make it a little bit challenging for them, okay? So let's here we go. Just mix them up. Okay, guys. Heidi, you could go ahead. Zidane, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
You have to close?
Yeah, close your eyes. Okay? And Zidane, close your eyes. Zidane, you're not closing. You're peeking.
I am.
Okay, Zidane, I saw you peeking.
Oh my
Guys, if you saw Zidane peeking, comment down below. Because I did saw him peeking. Okay, go. Okay, go ahead, Zidane. You're not allowed to touch. Okay, so now
Can I open it?
open it and pour it really quick without seeing it.
Okay.
So both of them, it was milk. Okay, so that's a good idea, right? So what about now, Heidi? Close your eyes. Zidane, Zidane, just exchange it for them. No, Zidane, open your eyes. Let Heidi close her eyes. Yes.
She's peeking. She's like this.
No peeking, Heidi. Okay, just Heidi, close your eyes. Not ready yet, Heidi. Not ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, Heidi. You're not allowed to keep touching. Just grab one. Here we go. And now open it and pour it. Okay, Zidane, close your eyes. Okay. Zidane, no peeking. Heidi, just mix it up, girl. Mix it up. Guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down below who's gonna get most of the milk. Okay, Zidane, go ahead. And open it. And pour it.
Oh, wow.
Nice! So now both of you close your eyes. I'm gonna mix. Close your eyes. So now Zidane's gonna pick for Heidi, and Heidi's gonna pick for Zidane. Go. Pick for each other. Okay, you cannot shake it, Zidane. You're not allowed to shake it. So Heidi, you're not allowed to keep touching.
Okay, here's for Heidi.
Okay, Zidane, take yours. Look at me, Heidi. You're good. Just open yours.
Let's go! Thank you, Heidi! Thank you! It's that!
What? Heidi, are you having some fun so far? Yeah. Zidane, I feel that Zidane, like, he was shaking them and he was just feeling them if there is milk or glue, right? Okay, so Heidi, now close your eyes. Okay, get one, Heidi. Just choose one. Okay. And Heidi, go ahead, pour it. Whoa! Glue. Good job.
Watch me.
Okay, Zidane, wait. Okay. Okay, Zidane, you're not allowed to touch it. Wait, Zidane. Get it already. Like you have to pick. Okay, pour it. Woohoo! Okay, the challenge is getting very serious right now. Okay. So now, you know what? Yes. Like no, Zidane, wait. Close your eyes. Zidane. Don't peek. Heidi, okay, close your eyes without hands. I trust you guys. Guys, do you trust Zidane and Heidi? No. Move your hands. Move your hands. Close your eyes so well. Close.
I can only see black.
Okay.
I don't want to close my eyes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, pick. No, you're not allowed to keep touching. Go. Pick, Heidi. And open your eyes and go. Are you winning? It's a tie, eh? Okay, it's a tie. Okay, Zidane, go ahead. Choose. Just pick. You're not allowed to shake it. Glue! Okay, Heidi, your turn. Oops. It's okay. Your turn, Heidi.
This milk is not gonna kill.
Close your eyes, Heidi, and take one. Yay! Glue! Okay, Zidane. Wait, Zidane. Close your eyes. Wait. Okay, Zidane, you could take one now.
There aren't any.
Yeah, there's two. You're not allowed to shake it.
No, pick one.
Someone is shaking it, right? And I feel that.
I'm not shaking it. I'm putting them up because you guys dropped it.
Okay. I think it's a tie, guys. What do you think?
No.
Awesome job.
Okay. Now let's mix it.
Okay. So now we have the clear activator.
Gonna chop right. Oh, so I want this.
Okay, so blue and green.
This and can I chop it?
Awesome.
Green one.
Okay, so yeah, you wanna put it in? Sorry, here we go.
Listen to that on my phone. You already.
Nice, Zidane.
Okay, this is. Oh my god, it looks so cool.
Nice, Heidi. This is so cool. Guys, comment down below if you think that the kids are doing awesome job so far. Zidane and Heidi are doing awesome. Okay, so Heidi already put the sparkle. I like that you stick on one color, Heidi. I like that. Very pretty, sparkly. Oh, 2 colors. I like this, Zidane. More. Woohoo! Is this flakes?
Yeah.
Wow. Looks perfect so far, Heidi.
Where's the glitter one?
Ooh, red. Look at Zidane.
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do this.
Okay. Something in the house. Okay. Time for the activator. Oh. Wow. Amazing. I love the colors, Zidane. Nice. Love it. Awesome. Good job, Heidi. Okay, and Zidane. You wanna go ahead and... I love when you guys add the sparkle. I think this is the best part. Okay, not too much then. Remember, we want to keep it. Good job. Okay, I think that's it.
My turn.
Heidi's turn.
Should I mix?
Sure. Wait, Heidi, let me help you. Okay, guys. Wow, look at these colors, guys. Comment down below if you love Zidane's slime so far. I love it. And Heidi's gorgeous.
I'm gonna add more.
Wow, look at these awesome colors.
I have turquoise.
Nice.
I have normal green.
That's very
That's light
pretty.
green.
I love it. Guys, comment down below which one you like the most.
Should we?
Yeah, go ahead. Whoa, I love it, love it, love it. Nice.
My hands are slipping. What did you say?
Whoa, nice. Nice.
Wait, spread out so that I'm gonna ask you. Wait, I'm gonna do a big bubble. Well, I just spread it out. I'm gonna do a big bubble.
Nice. Love it.
And I'm gonna do even a bigger bubble. Let's see.
Whoa.
By the way.
Which one's bigger,
No,
guys?
mine. It
Was
was
it
mine.
Heidi or Zidane's?
Oh.
Wow! Nice, Heidi.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say
Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this video a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment down
Whoa.
below if you want to make us more slime videos.
Guys, comment down below for more slime videos and give us your ideas. Which challenge should we do next?